Welcome to the training video series. I believe you have heard of the term OBDII. Are you curious about what OBDII means and how it differs from OBDI? Let's find out. OBDI stands for On-Board Diagnostics, which is a vehicle's self-diagnostic and reporting system. It's like having a built-in doctor for your car. Initially introduced in the 1980s, OBDI was the first generation of on-board diagnostics. Its primary purpose was to identify electrical failures in sensor inputs, including problems like open or short circuits. The next generation of onboard diagnostics is OBDII, which came into existence in 1994. It aimed to detect vehicle issues that could potentially contribute to higher emissions. OBDII plays an important role in promoting a cleaner and more environmentally conscious automotive industry. As a result, by 1996, OBDII had become the prevailing standard for all vehicles across the United States. Let's now explore the primary differences between OBDI and OBDII. Firstly, OBDI detects, while OBDII protects. OBDI primarily focused on detecting electrical sensor failures. On the other hand, OBDII not only tests but also protects the catalytic converter, which is an exhaust emission control device in vehicles. A car running around our streets with dead or gutted catalysts will spew all sorts of nasty pollutants into the atmosphere. That's why OBDII was introduced. Next, OBDI is passive, while OBDII is active and intrusive. OBDI is a passive observer that waits for out-of-range sensor inputs. OBDII takes things a step further by performing active and intrusive diagnostic tests to confirm the proper operation of the vehicle systems. After that, OBDI was manufacturer-specific, resulting in variations in communication protocols, trouble codes, and connectors across different brands. These challenges were addressed, then OBDII came in and became standardized, ensuring compatibility and consistency across vehicles from various manufacturers. OBDII introduced new features and terminology to enhance diagnostics, such as rationality tests to increase result reliability, new feature groups including monitors, enabling criteria, and readiness status for testing and early detection of emissions failures, as well as updated and standardized DTCs, along with freeze frame, for detailed failure information. These wonderful features will be explained in the next videos. With advancements like OBDII, vehicles gained the ability to diagnose and monitor their own systems, leading to improved emissions control and more effective troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content.